Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to easily display shortcuts in Chrome on your PC. Shortcuts can be a great way to navigate through your browser quickly and efficiently. So let's get started with the simple steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, navigate to the bottom right corner of the window. You'll find a button with 3 vertical dots. This is the Customize Chrome button. Click on it. Step 3. A menu will appear. From the options available, scroll down until you find Shortcuts. Click on it to access the shortcut settings. Step 4. Now, in the shortcut settings, you'll see an option to Show Shortcuts. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on, and there you have it. By following these quick steps, you can easily display shortcuts in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a faster and more efficient browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.